Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off and unplugging the Godex. Safety first, but move quickly. Once open, release the ribbon latch and pull the old cassette straight out. Do not twist it. You want a clean path, so check the print head and platen for residue and pick away adhesive with a lint-free swab. This prevents skips and streaks later. Once clean, line up the new cassette near the feed area and get ready to seat it precisely into the cradle. You seat the new Godex Ribbon cassette into the cradle until it clicks. This secures tension and alignment. Once seated, thread the ribbon under the print head and through the guideposts. Follow the existing path and keep the ribbon flat to avoid wrinkles. Then, gently rotate the K-cup knob on the empty spool to remove slack. You want even tension across the width. If the ribbon overlaps or folds, back out and rethread. Correct tension. You close the cover, plug the Godex back in, and power it on so the mechanism initializes and detects the ribbon. Once ready, send a short test label to confirm alignment, darkness, and clean transfer. Look for streaks, gaps, or misfeeds. If results are off, make sure the cassette is fully seated, the ribbon tension is even, and the print head is clean. Adjust and retest. Troubleshooting tip. If the ribbon wrinkles or smears, rethread and increase K-cup tension slightly before repeating the test.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.